Hello everyone! Today we're exploring quantum generative models, an exciting frontier where quantum computing meets artificial intelligence. Generative models in AI learn patterns from data and create new content, like images, text, or simulations. But when quantum computing enters the picture, things get even more powerful. Quantum generative models are machine learning models that use quantum circuits to learn and generate probability distributions of data. Instead of classical bits, they use qubits, which can exist in superposition and become entangled. This allows them to represent complex data distributions that may be very difficult for classical systems to model efficiently. Here's a simplified process. A parameterized quantum circuit is created. The circuit generates samples based on quantum states. A training algorithm adjusts the circuit parameters to match the probability distribution of the real data. Over time, the quantum model learns to generate new data that statistically resembles the training dataset. This process is similar to classical generative models, but leverages quantum probability amplitudes. Researchers are exploring several types, including quantum circuit-borne machines, QCBM, generate data using quantum measurement probabilities, quantum generative adversarial networks, QGANs, where quantum generators compete with discriminators. Variational quantum generators, hybrid quantum classical models optimized with classical algorithms. These models combine quantum circuits with classical optimization techniques. Quantum generative models could transform fields like drug discovery, material design complex, financial simulations, advanced data modeling. They may eventually model high-dimensional probability spaces that are nearly impossible for classical machines. Quantum generative models are still in early research stages, but they represent a powerful step toward next-generation AI powered by quantum computing. The future of machine learning might not just be artificial intelligence, but quantum intelligence.